Hello, traders. Today is Friday, June 20th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. And we are on the 1 hour time frame, as you can see. So, anyways, the pound yen did look like it was turning down this week, but it never was able to break that primary structure from the daily time frame. If we go all the way up to the daily, we can see that price did make a pretty good push down, but it was never able to give us a break of structure, so the trend was technically up the whole time. And there's really nothing stopping this thing from going up to a much higher Fibonacci level on the daily time frame. So the trend is up on the monthly, weekly, and daily. That means I am definitely looking for longs on the sort of time frames. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long right now at the top of a move, but I definitely would be trying to go long on pullbacks. Now we are at the 78%, so if it goes down and gives you a break of structure, then you could justify looking for shorts if you're a short time frame trader. For me personally, as like a trader that prefers to trade the 1 hour time frame and above, I personally am waiting for three-way pullbacks and Fibonacci bounces to go long, at least until the daily time frame gives me a reason otherwise, which it definitely hasn't done yet. So for me personally, I'm definitely looking for longs, but if you do get a break of structure to the downside and you do trade below the 1 hour time frame after the break of structure, you could justify looking for shorts. So, anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to take a look at my free Discord channel, linked down here in the corner, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.